Okay, we're going to make some plant labels, copper plant labels, because the plastic ones that I use, either the ink wears off in the sun and the weather, or the plastic labels themselves break. So this is my solution. It's using standard copper pipe, 15mm here in the UK. And the first thing I do is chop it into lengths using this pipe cutter. Which is quite a clever tool. It's just a circular cutter. It has a little round cutting disc inside. You clip it on and then just rotate it, and it slowly cuts through the pipe. So that's the first step, is to make a load of sections, and then I take these and I flatten them on the anvil. And that gives me a flat label that I can stick in the ground. And then I use these punches, which have all the letters of the alphabet on, and I can use those to make whatever it is, the label for whichever thing I want. So my first one on my list is apple rose rubra. So we take the punch, that's A. Double P. L. Sometimes it bends as you go along, so I just flatten it out again. R. O. S and E. So what I usually do is I write the name, apple rose, whatever it is, on one side, and then I'll put the particular variety on the back. And that will be a label that will last a long time. And the final thing I do to make it more visible, because it tends to disappear a bit, is I put a bit of paint on here. I'll show you. So I've got an old tin of paint, some outdoor exterior gloss that's kind of going off a bit, so I use it up. So what I do is I fill up those indented letters with a bit of paint, and then take a rag and wipe off the surface, and then we have a nice visible label.